Right guys, okay, so the last video that we made it from lane 2. We're now going to make the same slip road from lane 1. So we've checked our mirrors, we're in lane 1, we're going to keep in lane 1. We're going to have to merge with this Range Rover a bit further down the road, okay? So we checked our mirrors, don't need to worry about anybody at the moment. The only people we need to worry about are the people on our right. We can see the average speed camera sign on the left. We make sure our mirrors are done, the signal's done. Now we need to adjust our speed. We can see the new speed limit, 40 miles an hour, and we can also see the car in front signaling. So we come closer to the left, look in our right door mirror, and now we need to let this black car go, and now go. The reason why we let the black car go, the black car wasn't giving us way. He wasn't letting us come into the lane, and he was being a bit selfish, personally, I believe. However, yeah, you carry on. However, if it wasn't safe for the driver, or if he didn't feel safe moving across, then he wouldn't be expected to move across. So perhaps my opinion was that he was being selfish. Perhaps their opinion was it wasn't safe. Either way, because we couldn't move into that lane, I couldn't go into that lane. I had to reduce my speed and give way to the vehicle that was already on the dual carriageway. We're now going to continue following the road ahead. We're going to continue following the sign for Bradford. We are going to keep in lane 1 of Bradford, A647. So we're looking at the overhead sign. We can see Bradford, A647, motorway rules. Speed limit is 40. We're going to continue at this pace. We are doing exactly 40 miles an hour. We're looking in our mirrors, making sure it's safe. We're then looking at the slip road on the left that comes into the lane on the left. So where that bus is, that's a separate lane, but where this red van is and this black BMW, that's a slip road that comes into lane 1. They don't affect us, but they could come into our lane, like the number 72 bus. And we're going to remain in the first lane for the A647 Bradford. So when we look at the floor markings, we're going to the A647. When this splits into 2, we are then going to remain in the lane on the left. Now this is, guys, where you need to be a little careful with your observations and your forward planning. So you can see the number 72, he's a Bradford driver. He's going to start whipping. He's already started, you can see he's driving. So you can tell he knows where he's going. And we're going to remain in this lane. And we can see the, I don't know if it's an Aston Martin or a Porsche. He's going to cut in front of the bus, and he's already doing it now. So when we look forward, we can see the red traffic light immediately in front of us. We are going to follow that. And we're going to follow towards that red traffic light. And if you look at the floor, you can actually see a path set out for you. These X's mark your lane discipline. So we stay in between the center of these lines. That's your lane discipline, and now this gives you your lane. We can now see the lane divide on the right. We're going to stop at these traffic lights. We're then going to make effective observations in our door mirrors and any approaching emergency vehicle. We can see the overhead sign, and we can see the sign ahead of us telling us Bradford is the lane that we are in now. We're now looking the right door mirror again. Maintain our lane. We don't need to signal. We just stay in our lane, but when we see the sign for us to change lanes, we then immediately signal and then filter in when it's safe. And there we are, guys.